how to transfer TikTok shop balance into Gcash. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, open up your TikTok shop application and ensure that you're logged into your account. For doing so, you also have to make sure that your Gcash account is already fully verified so that we can continue with the transaction. So all the balance or credits that you have directly from TikTok Shop will automatically be allocated to your TikTok balance. To access it, just head straight into your profile at the lower right portion of your screen and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then go to balance. So this is where all your balance from TikTok Shop will be allocated. So just choose and press on estimated balance, then tap on view, and then in here go to live rewards, and then you can also change its currency depending on your location. Now just simply hit on withdraw and then just change the payment method into e-wallet directly to your Gcash account. And that's it. That's how you transfer TikTok Shop balance to Gcash.